At the end of the last video, we were just finishing off the final example. We had got x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. I want to try and factorise this. I have got we've got positive x squared now, so we've got x in both places, and negative 8 for my product, and now I'm going to have one positive and one negative. My factors of 8, 8 and 1, 4 and 2. I've got a negative 2 here, so my negative 1 is going to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go for negative 4 and 2. Let's double check that. Plus 2 times negative 4 gives me negative 8. Plus 2, right, add negative 4. So it's 2 take away 4 gives me my negative 2. It's looking pretty good. So we've got either x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if I subtract 2 from both sides, I've got x is equal to negative 2. Let's mark that on. Or my second bracket is going to be equal to 0. So I've got x take away 4 is equal to 0. Add 4 to both sides. X is equal to 4. So let's mark that one on here. So now I'm looking for a curve. We'd already worked out that we were looking for an inverted U or an N shape. So I'm going to have a maximum. It's going to go through these 3 points. I need that line of symmetry. So if one of my roots is at negative 2 and the other one's at 4, halfway between negative 2 and 4 is going to be at x equals 1. So my maximum height is going to be to the right hand side. So my curve needs to come through 8 and needs to go a little bit higher before it starts to come down. So x equals 1 here. So 3 up to 4, take 3 away, I get to negative 2. So that's halfway between those 2 points. So my largest value is going to be along that line x equals 1. So let's have a go. Let's see if we can draw it. It needs to come up. So remember, it needs to carry on going for a little bit. Then it needs to come down through my 4 and carry on going. Oh, not too bad. I think I'm happy with that. So we've got our coordinates. Let's mark them on. So we had x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. That's my 4, 0. We had x equals negative 2 also when y was 0. So negative 2 and 0. And our y-intercept, so x is equal to 0, y was equal to 8. 0 and 8. That point, this one, and this one. So I've marked on my x-intercepts, I've marked on my y-intercepts, I've got my smooth curve. So in the exam you'll get a method mark for picking up your x-intercepts, you get a mark for your y-intercepts, you get a mark for your general shape of your curve. So it needs to be either your U, or in this case our inverted U, making sure that it looks broadly symmetrical, in this case about the line x equals 1. Excellent. It's time for you to get some practice. So with the email there are some instructions in terms of a couple of exercises to complete. Good luck with those. If you need any help, drop me an email. Thank you.